what can I do to make my home more marketable? And what I'm going to just share with you today is my tips for increasing the curb appeal of a home and the market value.
Christopher Berry is a leading estate attorney and advisor in the area of retirement and legacy planning. He has been featured in publications such as Forbes, Kiplinger's, Crane's Detroit, and more. He's the host of the weekly radio show and podcast, The Chris Berry Show. He's a national thought leader as it relates to retirement and legacy planning, and has authored the Amazon best-selling book, The Caregiver's Legal Guide.
All right, this is Chris Berry with Castle Wealth Group, and I'm very excited and honored to have Tracy Wick, who's a real estate expert based in Novi, and she's going to tell us what's going on in this market. So Tracy, tell me what's going on.
Thank you so much, Chris, for having me today. I'm super excited to talk about the market. The market is a seller's market at the moment. There are more buyers for every listing, which means we're seeing multi-bid situations for homes that are in good move-in condition. So sellers ask me, what can I do to make my home more marketable? And what I'm going to just share with you today is my tips for increasing the curb appeal of a home and the market value. So take a look at this, these visuals that I have here. You're going to notice a very tidy, contained landscape bed, flowers. So please visit Flower Day down at Eastern Market. It's opening this coming weekend, and get some beautiful, colorful plants for the front of the home. And also, I'm going to talk a little bit about featuring that outdoor entertaining element, because that's very hot for buyers right now. Now, why would sellers even address curb appeal? They're like, there's so many buyers, why would I need to bother? Well, there was a study by Michigan State University that said that sellers will realize 5 to 11% bump in value if they have curb appeal and they develop that at their home. So that's why it's very important to take a look at that. Some buyers, and I've been with them, we will pull up to a home, and if they don't like the way the home is presented from the outside, they will not even get out of their cars. So there are 3 elements of increasing the curb appeal. One is the outside landscape. The second one is the front porch entry. And the third way is the outdoor entertaining aspect. So quickly here, you're going to see mulch. And that's because what's involved in a spring cleanout is basically getting rid of all the debris in your yard and putting a fresh bed of mulch down. These are the checklist for what to do in a spring cleanup, what you want to attend to, and it's tidying up and making the outside crisp and welcoming. And what better way to welcome a buyer to your home than to have a really amazing front porch. Here you're going to see the trends for front porches. Notice the rugs, the double layering of welcome mats, the outstanding hardware and numbers that they have, and even a swinging porch swing. So here's some of the neat ways that you can jazz up your front porch and add greenery to make it pop, and even do your own potted plant, even add faux boxwoods if you don't have a green thumb. And I encourage all homeowners that are thinking about selling to follow some of these quick tips to really boost their curb appeal.
Awesome. That was great. Thank you so much, Tracy Wick. And stay tuned. We'll have Tracy back to talk more about real estate and what's going on in this hot market. Thank you so much, Tracy.
Castle Wealth Group has clients across the nation and helps families plan, protect, and preserve what is important by creating a retirement and legacy blueprint.